Hi, I'm Dale Dahlin. I'm an attorney in Lincoln, Nebraska, and I'm going to talk to you about what makes a strong personal injury case. A personal injury case is a wrong that has been done by one person that harms another that the law provides a remedy for. There's three main factors in a personal injury case. There's liability, there's damages, and there's coverage. An example of a personal injury case is a car accident. As to liability, if a person is rear-ended, that's a clear liability. If it's an open intersection case, it's not as clear liability. So that's one factor. The other is damages. How bad is the person hurt? How much is there in medical bills, lost wages? Is there permanent injury? Factors such as that. And the third factor is coverage, normally insurance coverage. How much insurance does the other person have? A lot of times, Nebraska only requires $25,000, but a lot of times there's $100,000, maybe $500,000. There can be umbrellas, and there's also uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. Underinsured is something you carry on yourself that will kick in if the other person doesn't have enough to cover all of your damages, which is a very useful insurance, and I encourage everyone to have as high limits of that as they can. So if you look at how good is your personal injury case, it's basically those three factors. How strong is your liability facts? How big are the damages? How bad are the injuries? How high are the medical bills? And how much insurance coverage is available to cover those damages. If you are looking for a personal injury lawyer, what should you look for? I think you want to look for somebody that is experienced in handling personal injury cases and have a lot of experience in dealing with not only the case but the insurance coverages. A lot of times we can deal with reducing subrogation amounts that put more into the person's pocket, and it takes experience to deal with all the different factors of a personal injury case. Outcomes that you can expect varies from case to case. Cases take different amount of times. One thing you need to do is get your medical treatment. You've either got to get your medical condition resolved or get to maximum medical improvement, where the treatment you've gotten as much as you can to reasonably expect any better outcome in the future, but then you know if there's a permanent injury that you can get compensation for. All of those factors go into whether you have a good personal injury case. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at 402-423-4300 to talk about your case. Thank you.